Hey guys, it's LA Plays here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to add or remove RAM out of any desktop PC. So the first thing you need is the RAM, and then you'll need a screwdriver just so you can take the screws out of the side panel of your desktop PC. There are brands like HP and Dell that you can actually has a button that you press and you're able to take the panel out. But for this one, we need screws, so I have actually already unscrewed the panel. So, sorry for this camera work. Let's just go and remove this part out of here. And here is the computer that you need, that I have. So, I'm gonna go and just tilt it this way. Oh, alright. So, as you can see, this is the computer. Now this isn't actually my one that I actually use myself. This is just a spare computer, so yeah. Now there is one RAM stick in there. That wasn't the original RAM. So to remove RAM, there's like, as you can see here, there's like these two clips. So we're gonna go, my hand's sort of in the way, so you can see that little white part there. The little white part behind that cable is what you need to do on both sides, and then you can remove the RAM, like so. This RAM is DDR1. This is very old RAM. I just found it somewhere. So this is the RAM that we're going to be installing. This is DDR2. So to install RAM, always you need to, for the white parts, you don't, when you put it in, like you don't, like as you're putting it in, when you're putting it in, you don't press these buttons here. You just force it in, and then those will click into, place. So we're gonna put this one in here and sort of line it up, So we're just gonna line it up here and see here. We can install this RAM, and when you're installing RAM, make sure if you're just building a computer, it should be alright. I'm sort of struggling, and just force it in. If there's any cables in the way, just make sure there's no cables in the way, otherwise it won't go in. So you need to line it up and press really, really hard, and then it will go in. Now what you want to do is you want to check here if it doesn't come out. If it doesn't come out, you've installed it correctly. If it does come out, then you need to force it. Really need to force it in on both sides. And then to remove it, you need to press both sides here of it, and then you're able to take it out. So it's very, very simple to install a RAM, and we're just going to install the final part of RAM. So we need to put it this way, as you can see here, and let's see this one here. Sometimes it doesn't have space because the graphics card is kind of in the way. So let's just go and put this in. As I said, force it, really force it in, and it should click into place. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so that's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to show you guys some more tutorials, be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So next video, guys, it's LA Plays. Peace.